Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add GIF to Shopify store. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is just go ahead and open your browser and search for shopify.com and sign in your account. And once you've done that, what you need to do is just go ahead and open again a new tab and search for giphy.com. So as you can see, it is right here at the search section. So it's giphy.com. Okay. So now what you need to do is to just go ahead and search for the GIF that you want. Okay. So for mine, this is what I want. So you can also search right here. So now if you have the GIF that you want, click on the share button right here and click on copy GIF link. Okay, so you can also choose whatever type you want to download, so or the size of it. So there's small 1.66 MB, the social is 5.19 MB, the original one is 5.19 MB, and the MP4 is 40.73 MB. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose this one, which is the original. And now let's just go back here on Shopify. Now what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the product section here at the left side of your screen. And then let me just go ahead and add my product. Okay. So this is just a random product. S- So now what you need to do is when you see the list of product, click on it. Okay. So here the description box, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the link right here. So as you can see, this is the GIF that I've selected earlier from Giphy. Okay, so what we need to do is just go ahead and click on the save button to save your actions. So now that is how you add GIF to Shopify store. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.